guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel, and of course welcome back to my kitchen for some more cooking fun. This week's schedule involves saltfish, so I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to utilize saltfish. We started off this week's video lineup with some buljol pies. So we're familiar with saltfish buljol, we're familiar with the fry bake. Why not just combine them, make them like a easy on the go, grab and go kind of snack. So it's really simple. I do have a video up on buljol and I have fry bake. I'm just showing you guys how to combine it today. So let's jump into this video. Buljol pie, guys. Let's start with talking about the ingredients we need for the pie dough. Got some all-purpose flour, some baking powder, salt, some brown sugar, and for my buljol, saltfish, of course. This is the one that I usually use. It comes in the pack and it's pretty easy to work with. Some cabbage. I'm adding some garlic powder. It adds a lot of extra flavor. Carrot, sweet pepper, onion, pimento. You could use hot pepper as well. Tomato and some garlic. And to fry it, we just need some oil. Pretty simple, straightforward to put together. So we're starting off first by putting the saltfish to boil or to soak, either one. While the saltfish is boiling, we're just going to make the dough. I'm going to mix everything up, add my water, and knead it into a nice soft dough ball. And once we have it all nicely kneaded, we're just going to cover it while we prepare the other stuff. So we're going to cover it for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so. So it's easier when we add everything to a food processor, so that when we fill in the pies, we don't have too many chunks that can cause the pie dough to burst while it's frying or while we're filling it. So I'm just going to add all the ingredients to a food processor just to make it easier, and we're going to chop it up. Going to give it like a rough chop, and we're actually going to put the saltfish in here as well. So we're going to give this a rough chop until the pieces are small and easy to work with in the pies. So this is what it looks like, roughly chopped up. And I like to just cook everything for a bit, but some people, you don't even need to. Some people, you can just eat it like this. I prefer to give my buljol a little cook in some oil on the stove. So to my pan, I'm adding some coconut oil, and I'm just going to add everything. And in goes the garlic powder. So this is not going to take too long on the stove. It's about 2 minutes. And now we're going to set this aside, and we're going to work on filling the pies, the dough, and then we're just going to fry them. So to go about making the pies now, different ways you can go about it. For me, it's easier to just break a little piece off, depending on how large you want it. Roll it out with your hand like this, and fill it. Fold it on your hand like this, and just fill it with the buljol, and just fold it across like this. Make sure to pinch the ends to make sure that they close, because when you put it into the oil, you don't want it to pop out or open out. Or you can roll out the dough, like you can roll out this dough, and using like a glass or a cookie cutter or something, you can cut it into circles if you want to go along that way to make sure that you have even shapes, but it's really up to you. This to me sometimes is just a little easier So you open it out like this. And of course, remember, you can fill it with as much filling as you like. What you could do just to be safe is use a fork and pinch down the edges. So just to show you a bit what I mean with the fork, you can just take the fork and just pinch it like this, just to make sure that the edges are sealed up. Don't want those edges opening out when you're frying your pies. So once the oil is nice and hot, all you're going to do is just add in the pies and fry them until they're nice and brown on each side. Make sure your oil is hot. So most of us enjoy having our pies, right? And like I said, we enjoy a bake, we enjoy a buljol, and this is just one of those other pies that you can now add to your list whenever you're going somewhere, you have a family line, even right at home, just something quick on the go to grab. Buljol pies. And buljol is something that you can have fun with. So the recipe will have the ingredients that I use, the actual measurements. This is one of those things, like I said, have fun with it. Some people might like more saltfish, some people might like more cabbage or veggies. So just play around with it, most importantly, and have fun. And the size of your pies, the amount that I got will be listed as well. So you get like roughly 14 pies, like yay big. But of course, if you want more, adjust it and fill it with as much buljol as you like. So it's a new week. Add that to your list of things to make for the kids or at home. Try it out for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this buljol pie video. Easy, simple, make them, send me photos, would love to see them. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with all your friends and your family. I will post the full recipe down below in the description box, along with other pies so that you guys can try them out. We had baked pies and we have some chicken pies, aloo pies. I'll post all of it down below for you guys to try out. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to more videos. Easy, simple ways to utilize saltfish in dishes. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.